Hi everybody, this is Millie. Welcome to my kitchen and today I am preparing Kachu Ilish or Taro stem with Hilsa fish head. I am so excited about this dish as I am preparing it after a long time. This dish is a perfect blend of sweet and spicy. It goes well with hot rice, especially during lunchtime. So let's start this preparation without further delay. For this preparation, I have Kachu or Taro stem, Ilish or Hilsa fish head, Turmeric powder, Coriander powder, Cumin powder, quarter cup of shredded coconut, paste of 5 green chilies, quarter cup of chickpeas which I have already boiled it. You will also need mustard oil, salt and sugar to taste. First we will cut the taro stem, and before cutting I will use some oil on my palms to prevent itching and discoloring of my fingers. First we will take out the skin of the taro stem using the knife. Okay, so I have already taken out the skin of the taro stem. Now I will chop it and cut into 1 to 2 inch blocks. To avoid discoloration, keep it in a bowl with water. Repeat the procedure for all the stems. I have cut all of them and now I am going to thoroughly wash them several times under running water. Now in this pressure cooker, I will boil the taro stem for about 1 to 2 whistles. Okay, so it's now boiled. I will drain out the water completely. Now I will season the fish with salt and turmeric powder. Now add some mustard oil. Oil is now hot, so I will add the fish head. Fish is now fried. I will break into few pieces. And then remove it. I have some leftover oil here. So now I will add the taro stem. And saute it on low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. It's been for about 5 minutes now and taro is also reduced. Now I will add shredded coconut, green chilies paste, chickpeas, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder and mix it well. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes now. Taro is now tender and completely reduced. Now I will add salt and sugar and mix it well. And then add Hilsa fish head. Cover the lid and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so it is completely reduced and dry. So now it's done. You can enjoy Kachu Ilish with hot steamed rice for lunch. It took me about 50 minutes to prepare this recipe and serves 2 to 3 people. Share this recipe with your friends and do subscribe to get latest recipe update. Thanks for joining me today. Have a lovely day.